Hi Linda, I'm John Olson with Schofield Hyundai West, and I'm out here on a beautiful fall afternoon, so you don't have to be. Let me show you the new Sonata. Sorry, I don't want to make you dizzy, but this is the one I have in stock. This is called Indigo Blue Pearl, and it's one of those colors that kind of changes color as the sun hits it. But this is a limited version, and this is actually, all the limited versions are going to have this trim, which is kind of neat. It's also one of your turn signals. Alloy wheels and fog lights. This one, of course, they're all leather inside. That's the way they package them. Power windows and locks, remote outside mirror. In fact, this leather, you can see the perforations in it, kind of. That's designed to keep you cool in the summertime. And then there's your heated seats. You have heated front and rear seats. Now this particular one has the navigation system, which Ryan made it sound like that's not really important to you, but this is the one I have in stock. They all come with BlueLink, which is this right here. It's kind of like Hyundai's answer to OnStar, and you get to try that for free for a while. They all have AM, FM, CD, and iPod connections. Steering wheel controls. This is a huge advantage now, because you can operate, this is all your entertainment, radio, CD, whatever you're listening to. This is Bluetooth. We can hook up your cell phone and make your calls hands-free. Cruise controls right here now, and there's a trip computer right here that'll give you all sorts of information. And you don't ever have to let go of the steering wheel to operate any of that stuff. And let me show you the back seats. There's a ton of room in this car. Now it seats 5 comfortably, and there are 8 cup holders in it, 1 on each door, and then 2 in between each seat. And now look at the size of the trunk. You may have already seen them, Linda, but just in case, look at all that. And you can actually pull this little deal, and then I can flop those seats down if you need more room back there. And that is the Sonata Limited, and of course we can find one without that navigation if that's what you want. Oh, the sunroof, that's probably the neatest part, is with the navigation system. They call it a panoramic roof. The whole roof is glass, and the front opens like a typical sunroof. Without the navigation package, it's a typical sunroof like you're used to. I told you I'd show you the Elantra also, which is what this is. This is a, I know this is more the color you were after too. This is a silver Elantra Limited, and a lot of similarities. You have the same mirror trim turn signal right here, kind of dresses things up. And this will look very familiar to you in here. Leather, gray interior, power windows, locks. Steering wheel controls are the same. And this particular one has navigation too. They don't all have them, but climate control, I didn't mention that. Both cars have the climate control, so you can set it up just like your thermostat at home. And this one has the standard sunroof, more like what you're used to probably. But plenty of room in this car also. Let me show you the trunk back here. And I hope you're keeping nice and warm. It's actually not that cold, it's just a little damp. But a ton of room in these. This car, the Elantra, and you may already know this, but it won the North American Car of the Year award in 2012. Same thing, lots of room, and you can empty both, or drop both those seats for extra storage. And the other thing, oh, I just put my thumb right on the lens. Sorry about that. The other thing I tell you, the Sonatas, this one I showed you is like 29, I think, but without the navigation in there, you're probably around 27. And then, since you're already a Hyundai owner, you got tons of rebates available. The Elantra, this one I'm showing you right here, is like 24, I think, roughly. Yeah, 24. And a Elantra Limited without the nav is 22, something like that. So there's a difference in price, but I just felt like I should show them to you both because the Elantra's a little closer to the Sonata you have, but the new ones are awesome. My number Just call me anytime, 316-680-9823. And I hope this is helpful to you. I look forward to meeting you sometime. and call me anytime. I appreciate it. Thank you.